Okay, so you might be searching PayPal credit card. Duane here with How to Build Credit TV, and in this video, we're gonna have a look at the PayPal Extras Mastercard. But before we get started, I have a quick. Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV, and on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit and ways to improve your credit score. We also talk about how to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, as well as credit card reviews. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the word subscribe to the bottom right of this video and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so the PayPal Extras MasterCard is just one of the few credit cards that PayPal has to offer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and go to the website together and have a look at this particular card to see if this card offers any value and if it's something that you could or should consider getting. We're gonna have a look at the PayPal Extras MasterCard. So I'm gonna get on my laptop and I'll see you guys on the laptop. Give me one moment, please.
Okay, so as you can see here, we're at the PayPal website to have a look at the PayPal Extras MasterCard. It says, because you deserve something a bit extraordinary. Of course, right? PayPal's Extras MasterCard. You must have a PayPal account in order to apply for the PayPal Extras MasterCard account. When you click Apply Now, you'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account. If you do not currently have a PayPal account, you will need to open one to apply for this card. So once again, this is a rewards card. It's not a cashback card. It's reward points that you're earning every single time that you purchase something. So of course there's different tabs here you can explore. There's earn rewards, there's redeem rewards, there are perks, and then there's MasterCard benefits. So right here we're going to be talking about the ways to earn reward points. So you get 3 times the points when you spend on gas and restaurant purchases. So that's 3 times points when you spend money with gas purchases or restaurant purchases. You get 2 times the points when you spend with PayPal and eBay transactions, and you get 1 times the point when you spend on all other MasterCard purchases. So that's pretty straightforward there, guys. So that's basically, once again, 3 points for every dollar spent with gas and restaurant purchases, 2 points for every dollar spent with PayPal and eBay purchases, and 1 point for every dollar spent with any other purchases. So that's pretty clear and pretty simple there. Of course, it talks about ways that you can redeem your reward points. So right here on the left, it says earn 800 points, redeem for gift cards for restaurant, gas, retail, and more. Of course, there's probably more information underneath the tab that talks about redeem rewards. Right here at the top left of the screen, it says redeem rewards. So there's probably more information there if you guys are interested in checking that out. It says earn 3,000 points. So it says cash points in for merchandise ranging from housewares to electronics and sports equipment. Once again, if this is something you're interested in, then it's not too bad. It says earn 6,000 points, get $50 cash back, credited into your PayPal balance. So this, I guess, could in a way be cash back if you take the points that you earn and transfer them from the points you've earned to a $50 cash back, which will be credited directly into your PayPal balance. And of course, everybody should know that you can transfer from your PayPal account directly into your bank account, whether it's a checking account or a savings account. You should and will be able to transfer the balance from your PayPal account to your checking account. So it can be real money, or if you have a PayPal debit card, you can just use the debit card instead of transferring the money directly to your checking account. It says earn 15,000 points, receive a travel voucher for future airfare, hotel, or car rental. So that's pretty good. I'm not exactly sure how much work it's going to take to earn all of these points in order to redeem it. But like I said, if you're interested in that, you definitely can do some research on that in regards to this. And so, of course, you're going to get all the benefits of having the MasterCard. It says right here on the left, it says simply shop, earn reward points, and redeem for gift cards, merchandise, travel vouchers, and cash back into your PayPal balance. It's really that easy and awesome. And then on the left here, it says shop everywhere MasterCard is accepted, 24 million locations and counting. Earn reward points on everything you buy, of course. Conveniently redeem your reward points through your PayPal account. Plus, enjoy the added benefit of no annual fee. So this card has no annual fee, and There are some more perks here. It talks about your extended warranty, double the original manufacturer's or store brand warranty for up to 1 year when you purchase using your PayPal Extras Mastercard. So that's pretty good. That's a pretty good perk. Price protection for 60 days. So if you buy something with your card and the price drops within 60 days, you may be reimbursed for the difference. So that's pretty standard. If you buy something at the store and then it goes on sale like the next week, or before that store has a return policy, normally they will credit your account or credit your credit card or give you cash back if you pay with cash. And of course, there's identity theft resolution. PayPal is really good about that. They're really good about taking care of you and making sure that if you didn't authorize certain transactions, they will take care of it in a quick manner and get your money back to you as soon as possible. Of course, it talks about microchip technology. It says EMV chip technology makes shopping more secure at chip-enabled terminals around the globe. So all in all, this card is a rewards card, the PayPal Extras MasterCard. It is a rewards card. So it's not a cashback. Just make sure you understand that. However, you could turn your reward points into cashback if you'd like and transfer that directly into your PayPal account. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's straightforward here. I'll see you guys back in the video in just 1 second.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. It helps our channel quite a bit. And if you want to share this video with someone that may find it helpful, please feel free to do so. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you can subscribe by clicking the word subscribe to the bottom right of this video. Once again, on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit, whether you're looking to establish credit, build credit, rebuild credit, or learn more about the Fico Score and how it is comprised so you can increase your credit score. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. As a matter of fact, subscribing right now will help our channel grow faster, which will allow us to do 2 things. Number 1, get this information out to more people, and number 2, make it a lot easier to continue to upload videos just like this one. So if you're new here, please subscribe. Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV, and I approve this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.